Do you have a hand for a microphone?
Yes, I will make one.
Printer.
Beautiful. Okay, well, thank you. I want to start by thanking everyone for participating in the data challenge. I wish there had been more people that had come together and participated, but it's great that there was so many people representing not only the European Union, but also Canada. And I want to thank all the people who supported us in the project. So everyone at We Transform who helped us with some of our alignments, Alex and Marco for the support, and also Danielle from the JRC who helped us with setting up our registry instance. That was a huge support. And obviously thank you to everyone in my team that supported me and made this project possible. So this is our,
That was expected.
So we basically took our project report, which we'd submitted to the JRC and to the project, and basically replicated it and made it into a website. So a lot of the information about what we did is available for anyone who wants to take a look at what we did and share it with anyone who might be interested in seeing Inspire in action. So yeah, you can see that one of the main parts of our project was to actually extend Inspire. So we took the natural risk zone classification and extended it to include 48 different landslide types. We did so using a tool that we have called ACE, which allows you to specify the properties of classes, and then it will structure a hierarchy. And then we took that and put it into the registry. The other thing that we did was we also created a extension to the natural risk zone schema to include the susceptibility feature type. So I think that there's a diagram of that. Here you can see how the susceptibility area feature type fits in with the rest of the natural risk zone core schema. So we also have some links about how our application is working, what's happening under the hood in terms of our cognitive reasoning system, the AI core of this project. And there's also all of our input data sets that we got. Most of them came from the Veneto GeoPortal, but some of them were aligned to Inspire. And we also have a link to all the tools that we used. Some of them are open source, but Hail Connect is proprietary, and some of them also came from the JRC. So registry isn't listed here, but that was a really important tool for our project. So I think I'll just jump to the application. So I think we now have a disclaimer here, and if you click through, what you'll be shown immediately is the slides and soil model. So we're showing susceptibility to slides and soil across the region of Veneto, and we can switch which susceptibility map we're looking at. And really what you want to do is you want to drill down and find an area that you're interested in, or if you don't have an area that you're interested in, I would suggest taking a look at one of the purple polygons, because those are the highest ranked in terms of susceptibility. And you can click on one of those and you'll be able to show the different runouts that have been simulated using the RAvaFlow tool. If you want to learn more about why that location was given the susceptibility ranking that it was, you can open the match report and you'll see a description of, on the left-hand side of the location, the instance, the spatial feature, and then on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you'll see the location and the model on the left-hand side with all the properties that we're looking for, in this case, in a rock slide. And then all the green bars are where we're matching the attributes. And you can kind of drill down further and get an explanation of why the score was given, because that's based on some of the frequency multipliers and also based on the hierarchies that are being used in the code lists that are really underlying this data. So I think that if you take a look at this, you'll see why Minerva is pushing so hard for the code lists within Inspire. It's what we really see value in. The data structures in Inspire are allow for interoperability, but it's the semantics and the standardized vocabularies that are available through the code lists that really provide a lot of value to AI applications. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thanks, Jake. Now we should take a picture of all the winners. Do you have your prize, Jake?
Yeah, I can go grab it.
Please go grab it. Do we have the photographer?
Yes.
Come on.